Good morning students. In previous class we discussed about the structure of C programming. You can see here all these things discussed like include std.h preprocessor directive and what is the starting point void main and CLRs SCR, this is clear screen, and printf to show the message on console, and get ch hold the screen, which screen, console. Okay, so here you can see lots of steps available to explain this structure, and I have already explained, and now we are moving on the compile and execute C program. So what is compile and execute? Once you have written the program, you need to type it and instruct the machine to execute it. Okay, and to type your C program you need another program called editor. So when we create any program, so we need editor, and once the program has been typed in, needs to be converted to machine language zeros and ones before compiler. Basically compiler is a special program that processes statements written in a particular programming language and turns them into machine language or code that a computer's processor uses. Okay, so you can see here this is editor for C programming. Follow the given steps to compile and execute your first C program. You can see, double click on the icon of C on desktop, select new option from the file menu and type the above program, and save the program using F2 under a proper name, say .c. Okay, and .c extension we using for saving. Okay, and now for compile and execution, control plus 9 and alt plus F5 for execution. Okay, so you can see here on computer, first step is, this is turbo C, this is the, so you can click on this, you can see this window and start turbo C++, and this is the editor you are able to see, and here menu bar is here, you can click on file and new. This is your editor, you can edit here any type of application and save and run and compile and run. You can see here, you can type only simple print hello world. You can see, first of all we will use has. Okay, has include this is stdio.h. Okay, I think all are getting this screen, all able to see, and enter stdio.h, and second is has include conio.h. This is the console in we have some problem regarding this. Okay, you can see here, this is include std.h and include conio.h. First for the standard input output, second for the console input output. Okay, and now we are moving on this, we will starting point, we write here void main, and this is the predefined or inbuilt function void main. After that we will use curly braces. In between we write all the statements regarding to C programming. For example, we need to print hello world, so first of all we use clear screen CLR, okay, SCR, and it. This is not here. Opening curly braces, and now we are moving on this. Here we use print print f and brackets and all the statements closed by semicolon. When we talk about English language we use point, and here we will use semicolon. Here also we will use semicolon, and in between this we provide the string which we need to show, and this is hello friend, friends. Okay, so here printing option is complete, and now we are moving on get ch function and semicolon. So this is the basic program of C program to print any message. You can see here hash is used, hash include st.h, hash include conio.h. This is the preprocessor directive. After this we start a starting point void main, and we use curly braces, and this will showing on this, no issue, but we need proper arrangement of program. Okay, so you can see here CLR SCR, this is for clear screen, and get ch for the hold. Okay, so now you can see first of all we need to save this program. We have this ccp and .c, and you can see this is my first program, my first program. So in short you can save it. Okay, this will save my first, and now we will need to compile. First step, here you can see there no warnings and no errors. If we have some error, so it will reflect the what type of error. Okay, if you warning, so what type of warning, this that message showing on this. For example, we have we remove this semicolon and save it this file, and now we need to compile. So you can see one error. Okay, which type of error? Enter. You can see statement missing semicolon. Okay, we will find the statement missing semicolon here. This is not you here, not use semicolon, we use, and save it, yes, and now compile this file, and here you can see no error. After compiling we need to run. You can run this file, and you can see on console window hello friends. So this is the basic program of C programming. So I hope are you getting okay, thank you.